Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Does your keyboard not working? Then you can open on-screen keyboard in this situation. So let's get started. First, you need to hit Windows key, then type CMD and enter. Now type OSK and press enter. Here OSK means on-screen keyboard. Now, as soon as you hit enter, on-screen keyboard will pop up for you. This virtual keyboard works if your physical keys gone dark. And if in case you want to disable on-screen keyboard, then I am giving you the video in iCard at the top corner. You can check that out too. Hit the like button, share the video and subscribe for more helpful videos.